What's going on, guys? Rob from ClicksGeek, and in today's video I'm going to run you through a commercial janitorial cleaning client out in Colorado, in the Denver area around there, and the results they've gotten in just 7 days of running this campaign. Now this is the power of. So I should say this first. This campaign has been the account has data history in it, so we were able to start the campaign running out on a Target CPA auto bidding strategy, auto conversion bidding strategy. So Google's actually bidding based off of past history in the account of conversions, keywords that converted, stuff like that. So I should start with that first. This is not a brand new account that just turned on, okay? So that's why we're using an auto bidding strategy, but I just want to show you the power of Target CPA when you use it with the correct keywords and stuff like that. So as I said, Denver, 200 a day budget. Over the last 7 days, which is March 1st to today, March 7th, actually today's the 8th, there was 1,480 impressions, 37 clicks, 2.5% click-through rate. Now that is a little on the low side, but that's because we're actually using only two broad match keywords in this campaign, which I will show you shortly. Average cost per click is about $29. Total cost for the week was $1,074. The client got 10 leads. That's a mixture of phone calls and contact form submissions. Mostly phone calls. I think 8 of those are phone calls. And the cost per conversion was $107. Conversion rate of 27%. And again, we're using Target CPA. So if we go right into the campaign, you can see here we have our ad groups. Our Target CPA is 160. I always try to start higher when using Target CPA. And then after I have some data and start getting leads where I want them to be price-wise, I'll start slowly lowering that. Maybe just by $5 a week, $6 a week, something like that, until I get it down to where I'm happy with the cost per lead and I still have the volume. Because I'm sure a lot of you guys watching this video can understand, or you totally understand that when using some of Google's auto conversion-based bidding strategies like maximize conversions or Target CPA, that it can kill off your lead volume. Like, yeah, sure, you might get your leads for your target cost per acquisition or whatever, but if you only get 2 a week, there's no reason for it. It's not sustainable. So the idea is to start higher, slowly whittle down so you can maintain lead volume and drop the cost per lead. So here's our ad groups. Very simple campaign, guys. Commercial cleaning, office cleaning, janitorial services, Denver commercial cleaning, Boulder janitorial cleaning, Boulder office cleaning, Denver office cleaning, Denver janitorial services, Boulder commercial cleaning. So all a bunch of geo ad groups and some generic ones. Not really much to this campaign. If we go into the keywords, you can actually see here we're only going after 2 keywords that are broad match, and that generated a bulk of the leads. 8 of the leads are those. And then we got janitorial services, brought in 1, commercial cleaning Denver, brought in the other. That's exact in a phrase. So the thing with using broad match and Target CPA, though, that I do have to warn you about is you need a really, really good detailed negative keyword list. All right, if you're gonna run broad match keywords, you're definitely gonna need a gigantic master negative keyword list. And if you don't have one of those, that's okay. There's tons of videos on my channel where we go through and show you how to build negative keyword lists. Just go to my channel and search negative keyword lists, and I show you how to find negative keywords and build lists of them. And you can just deploy those into any campaign you want. So you can see here the keywords are all pretty straightforward. I mean, there's not really much action in anything except for those ones, but everything's exact in phrase except for those 2 keywords. So I might start, after seeing this, I might start expanding to other ad groups and add 1 broad match keyword into each one. I don't suggest that you just turn all your keywords to broad match because that can cause problems. If you're going to try this strategy, slowly start adding the broad match into each ad group. Start with 1 or 2 keywords per ad group. See how they do. See how the quality of the lead is, because that's really important with broad match traffic. You got to make sure you're not getting conversions on random terms that have nothing to do with what you're going after. So just keep that in mind. And if we go into the conversion actions in the account, you can see here what the leads are. So we have phone call. This is our third-party call tracking software. We use CallRail, so that this is 3 calls that came from someone clicked an ad, went to the landing page, and called the number, clicked the number to call on the landing page. So that's what those 3 are. Then we have some local actions here, which are just from our Google My Business location extension that we're using in the campaign. So that was 1 lead from that. Call extension lead was 5 leads from the call extension, took directly in the ad. Someone just clicked the call. And contact form, we actually got 2 contact forms. So it's showing 11 leads, but I don't think that's because, I think in our campaign showing 10, but I think that's because it's not, I have it not counting the local stuff in my dashboard view. But it's showing 11 leads. So 11 leads in a week. First campaign for our Target CPA, using Target CPA with this, and doing pretty good. Good start. So I just want to share that with you guys. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out the links in the description. I have a ton of stuff in there for you. We're adding to our link tree almost every day with more free resources for you guys. All right. Hope this helps. Catch you guys later.